What is space tourism? Space tourism is another niche segment of the aviation industry that seeks to give tourists the ability to become astronauts and experience space travel for recreational, leisure, or business purposes. There are several types of space tourism like orbital, suborbital, and lunar. Till date, the orbital space tourism has been performed only by the Russian Space Agency. Motivational factors behind space tourism are vision of Earth from space, weightlessness, high-speed experience, unusual experience, and scientific contribution. Currently, only high-altitude jet fighter flights and atmospheric zero-gravity flights are commercially available to tourists in the space tourism sector. Space tourism companies that will make you an astronaut, starting with Virgin Galactic. Part of the wider Virgin Group, the Virgin Galactic Space Tourism Company is aiming to provide regular suborbital space flights for paying customers. Its current spaceplane VSS Unity entered outer space in December 2018 as part of its testing process, bringing the possibility of regular commercial spaceflight closer. The company already has an extensive waiting list of people wishing to become space tourists with an initial deposit of $200,000 required to secure a place on this list. However, Virgin Galactic has not been entirely without issues, including multiple delays and the in-flight loss of its VSS Enterprise spaceplane in 2014. SpaceX is already hugely experienced when it comes to launching space-bound flights, and the company is also hoping to get on board the space tourism bandwagon. However, unlike most other companies operating in this field, they are prioritizing lunar tourism and other forms of space travel extending beyond Earth's orbit. In 2017, the company's founder Elon Musk announced his intentions to send 2 paying customers on a trip around the moon on an inaugural lunar tourism mission. The mission was initially planned for 2018 but has since been delayed. SpaceX has not yet revealed any pricing strategy or waiting list for lunar trips. Blue Origin. To date, Blue Origin has been the main competitor for Virgin Galactic in terms of suborbital space travel tourism. However, their offering is based around a more traditional rocket known as the New Shepard, which takes off and lands vertically, and their objectives are to build towards orbital spaceflight. As with Virgin Galactic, the space tourism company has performed several test flights and is planning to put paying passengers into space soon. However, unlike Virgin Galactic, they have not yet started making money for tickets. Their plans involve placing up to 6 passengers on each flight, with room to perform weightless somersaults. Oranspan. Finally, Oranspan is a space travel company in the United States which announced plans for a private commercial space station called the Aurora Space Station. This would be placed in low Earth orbit and would effectively function as a space hotel, which would be able to host up to 6 space tourists at a time. While the plans are still in the provisional stages, the company has already sold out several months' worth of hotel reservations. The total cost of a space hotel reservation currently stands at more than $7 million. At present, Oranspan says it is hoping to host its first paying guests at the Aurora Space Station in the year 2022. Boeing company emerged as a major player in the space tourism industry when it signed an agreement with NASA as part of its Commercial Crew Development Program. This program was designed to increase involvement from private sector companies in the production of crew vehicles to be launched into orbit. As part of the agreement, Boeing started work on the development of a crew capsule called the Boeing CST-100 Starliner. Crucially, the company's contract with NASA provides them with the opportunity to sell seats to space tourists with the